bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, I want to show you guys how I put together a goodie bag that I'm working on. I did the same thing that I'm doing today for Halloween, and it worked out really well. So I thought that maybe we can do the same thing for Christmas. So what I'm doing is I'm putting a little goodie bag together, and I'm going to bring these goodie bags to the office so we can gift them to the kids, you know, during the Christmas series, during the Christmas season, and it's gonna be fun. So I wanted to show you how I put this together. It's it's super easy to put together, very inexpensive. I really try to save some money because, you know, obviously you have a lot of goodie bags that you need to create. I'm trying to create 40 girls and 40 boys goodie bags, so that's a lot of goodie bags. So you want to be kind of like mindful on how to spend your money and how to do it the right way. So I want to show you really quickly how I come about doing this, and at the same time trying to save some money. So I'm going to put these goodie bags together, and I'm going to show you how I put them together, and I'm going to explain to you at the same time, and give you some tips and ideas on you know, on some things that to me works out. So okay, the goodie bags that I'm going to use are everything that I got here is from the Dollar Tree except for the stickers. The stickers that I have here, these stickers we give out at my job. So by the way, I work for a pediatrics office, so if anybody's wondering, but everything else you can get at the Dollar Tree. So the first thing that I do is, obviously, we have girls and we have boys, right? So what I like to do is I like to get 2 different kinds of goodie bags. So this way, me and my coworkers don't go crazy trying to dig for what's for female, what's for male. It makes it easier. It makes it very simple. Just go for the blue. Automatically, blue is for boys. And then what I did was, I picked these out for the boys, okay? And these are the goodie bags that you get at the Dollar Tree. You get 40 counts of goodie bags in here, which is perfect. This is how you save your money, right? You get 40 of these little goodie bags in here, which means you can make 40 little goodie bags. That's awesome. Only for $1, which is like really a good deal. I picked the blue one. The blue one has some snowflakes, as you can see there, and this is really fun. And then for the girls, here, let me put one of these goodie bags here so I can show you how I put them together. And then for the girls, what I did was, I picked out these because these are cute, and it just has some like peppermint and candy canes in the front. So I picked this one out for the girls, okay? I already have 2 here that I started working with. So, okay, this is such a mess, this table, but bear with me, okay? Okay, so we have the 2 goodie bags here for the girls and for the boys, okay? So I'm going to put this away so it doesn't get too distracting, you know what I mean? Too many stuff up here can be a little bit crazy. So I'm going to put these away. So what I like to do is, after I'm done showing you guys or a demonstration on how I put this together, I usually go lay down in my bed, watch some TV, have some coffee, although I might not have coffee today. I might have something a little bit stronger because it's Saturday. And I watch TV, and then I just put these goodie bags together while I watch TV on my bed. I'm very relaxed. You know, and it's something that I like to do because it just keeps me going. Okay, so here we have the boys, here we have the girls. We have already the goodie bags established. What do I put inside the goodie bags? Well, what I like to do is I like to buy things in multiples. What I mean by that is, if I go to the Dollar Tree and I see things that they sell in multiples, I like to grab that because you want to save some money. Remember, we have 40 boys and 40 girls that we need to fill in. So, you know, way for you to save money is if you go into a Dollar Tree, you look for little things that you can find in multiples. And what do I mean by that? One of the things that I like to use are these little game cards. I use the same ones, but obviously with a Halloween theme, for the goodie bags that I created for Halloween. I'm going to do the same thing for the Christmas. I love these little game cards because why? You get 36 in here, which means you have 36 of these little game cards that we can add into our goodie bag. And they're fun. They're really, really, really adorable. The kids love to play around with them. And I just love how they have all these like Christmas little, you know, pictures and the names, candy cane, the tree. They love this. They find this to be fun. This is the same concept as the game, the card game, but this is more like you know, like with the numbers, but that's okay. It has the cute little snowman. It has the snow, the Santa Claus, the reindeer, which is adorable. The penguin, which is super cute. So this is what I mean when I say multiples, okay? That's what I mean when I tell you guys try to find things in multiples, because already right here we already have these two things that cost us $1 each, and we can add this to the goodie bags, okay? Okay, perfect. I'm gonna put this on the side. I'm gonna leave these here. Another thing that I like to buy in multiples are any kind of toys. Toys are very important because kids love toys, of course, right? So any toys that's in multiples it's really, really a good idea to try to search and find. So for the boys, I'm going to show you how I put this together. So what I do in here is I put one of these little card games in here. Okay, for both the girls and the boys. And notice that it doesn't really matter because this is unisex. You could these game cards or card games, you can give both to a girl or a boy. So that's gonna save you a lot of time. Okay, so there goes my game cards. As you can see there on that side, that's one of them, and that's the other. I like to face the images on the back because clearly the front has decorative things on it, so you're not gonna be able to see it. That's what I do. The next thing I do is I add candies in here. Obviously, pediatrics office, we always give out candies. We always give out these lollipops. So I'm going to add one lollipop in here for each goodie bag. And I didn't have to pay for these lollipops because we have them at my office. And then I did go and I did buy these little mini candy cane. I love these little mini candy canes. I'm going to add one of these little mini candy canes to each goodie bag. Okay. So for the toys, I buy multiples. So what I like to do is when I find stuff like this, I love to get them. These are little dinosaur and like different kinds of dinosaurs, little toys. I got this one at the I didn't buy this one at the Dollar Tree. I got this at my local dollar store. However, the Dollar Tree does carry something similar to this, which is the one that I use for the Halloween goodie bag, and they're soldiers, and you get a lot more. So keep your eye for that. I did buy it, but I did not bring it out here because I decided to use these. But anyway, keep an eye for those, okay? So this is what I'm going to use for the boys. For the girls, again, multiples, right? Save money. I have these little bangles that I also gave away for the Halloween goodie bags, and these are just really fun little bangles that the little girls can put on. Girls love these little things. The best thing about this is you get 10 in here, which is another great thing. You save money. You get 10 of these for $1. That's perfect. I had to just buy 4 of these because again, we have 40 goodie bags. So all I had to go and get 4 of these, $4. You get 40 little bangles, and that's how you save money. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these little bangles into the girls' little goodie bag. Each girl is going to get one bangle or one bracelet, however you want to call it. And then you get different kinds of bracelets. You get this little flower shaped bracelet. You get this cute adorable butterfly shaped bracelet. You get this circle, and I think you also have like a heart. So yeah, you gotta be kind of smart because you don't want to spend a lot of money, especially during the Christmas, time. And you gotta make your money stretch, So what I do is I like to add one of these little bangles or bracelets in the girls' little goodie bag, which we'll do that. See that? And then for the boys, we're gonna add one of these dinosaurs. Okay. The last thing I'm gonna add in my little goodie bags are these stickers. Now I did not buy these stickers. I got these at my job. Give me 1 second, guys. I got these at my job. My job gives out stickers to the children, so I grabbed this one so I can add to the goodie bags. Again, the stickers are both for girls and boys, so you don't have to worry about it. I add 1 sticker in here for each little goodie bag. Okay, and that's basically it. That's all I do. I don't do much more. I can't. I got like, 60 more of these to go. So the easiest and the simplest way possible, I like to take that route. This is for the boys. This is for the girls. It looks super adorable. They love it. And the last thing I do is I like to put a little sticker on the little goodie bag. So for this particular goodie bag, I'm going to put these little candy canes that are really super fun and adorable right in the corner. And then these are like peppermint candies. I'm going to put those right here in the corner. And that's basically it. That's what we do when we put together these little goodie bags for the kids. It's very simple. It's not really that hard to create, but I think the kids love it and they feel special when you give this to them. And during the Christmas, season, why not? Like it's a fun thing to do. So I'm going to be for the next hour or two going to be putting these goodie bags together. I'll probably like take some pictures and put them in the Instagram so you can see them. But that's basically how I put my goodie bags together, guys. I just wanted to give you like an idea and give you some tips on how you can put these together and save money. This will be perfect for a school teacher. Maybe you work for a daycare center, or maybe you go into like a Christmas party and there's a lot of children involved. This will be perfect to do for them. You can also add these for like Christmas stockings. Like you can add them like for Christmas, like what do you call them? Stocking stuffers. These are perfect for that as well. They're fun to make and they're not that hard. Okay, I hope you enjoy watching me make these goodie bags. I hope that I gave you some tips or ideas or some inspiration, and I hope that you try to create them. If you do create them, please let me know. Just tag me on Instagram so I can see your goodie bags. I love to see you guys put things together, and I just love to see how they turn out. So make sure you tag me. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you like my channel, make sure you subscribe my channel, and make sure you guys comment and let me know what you think. I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. Please be safe out there, and I'll see you guys on my next Christmas series video. Love you. Have a awesome weekend. Bye, honeys.